Well, so many things going through my head and through our heads right now because we want to become financially wealthy. What is the lowest price we're going to get in? Are we going to continue going higher to 74,000 Bitcoin again? Bitcoin halving coming in 32 days. FOMC meeting at the end of the month. Like, obviously, I don't have the right answer. I don't know what's going to happen eventually because welcome to crypto. But I see today as a great opportunity to step back and take it relax, not rushing. Anyone interested in a massive Shiba Inu prediction of where I see things, and you'll tell me in the comments down below your thoughts, right? Because I I've been successful so far in my trading with my crypto. What do I mean? Made money on XRP, made money on Ethereum, and made money on Shiba Inu. Total of $4,000 plus. I am $4,000 USDT plus since I started trading and today. I have some positions that are down and I'm obviously not selling those, but some of my triggers were activated, executed yesterday, and I'm feeling good about it. Now, the thing is, I mean, the fact that we have a 1 day green candle for now on a Sunday where things can change at the end of the day, it doesn't mean that we're going to continue pumping, but it doesn't mean that we're going to continue dumping all the way back where we started, which I don't agree. So by the end of this video, I want to tell you where I see things. I'm holding some of my crazy positions. I am trying to just, get the best of it. I'm happy because at the end of the day, we know I think that by halving date, we should have a much bigger retracement than what we're seeing on the screen right now. And if you take a look at Bitcoin, we could see a bigger retracement if I go to the 1 month. I mean, I do agree that after doing all of that, we could be seeing bigger retracement. I'm not the only one saying it. I'm going to tell you exactly why. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome back, Shiba Inu holders. We've been hammering. We've been touching. We've been lives, 1,000 people or so. Like people are ready to listen and ready to see what's happening. Well, we went so fast to the hold here on the Bitcoin rainbow chart, which I always like to start with because it just paints a picture of macro. I mean, we're going back to this is the end of 2023. Like just to give you an idea, right? Starting in January 2024, we have just gone up. We just have gone up, and it's kind of weird how fast it's been. I was expecting a more flat, trend, but no. But finally, we are really close. You can see how we have some rejections and consolidation, but what's happening next? Now, I follow Rand looking for under 60 earlier today, and obviously people see that as bullish, which it happens all the time, right? Bloodbath is trending. What I mean is like we don't want to see ourselves catching the falling knife and holding because it happens. If I show you my assets right now, I have some positions that I'm down $400, $300, $250, $100, right? And it's fine. I mean, I don't mind. I am so used to seeing red numbers, which is completely okay. Which makes me think that after 2 days of correction, there's obviously gonna be some breaks, some pauses, and all of a sudden things can change as I see how in the day, if you want to consolidate, these two have to be closer. For them to be closer, the price has to come lower. If you go to the 4 hours, you see that they will be getting closer and closer. In the 4 hours, we're seeing finally some consolidation here. But obviously, people want to start buying, which I haven't done so yet. As I know that I can always buy if in case at 403, which is going to be high, but it's still, I mean, it's 301 Shiba Inu opportunity. That's a 3x on Shiba Inu, which I don't mind at all. But there's a voice on the back of my mind, right, on the back of my head, telling me, watch out and hold for a second, be patient, because been in the market for a while. I know that there's whales relocating positions. I know there's whales relocating funds. I know there's this temptation of it's over. The crash, the correction is over. Let's go ahead and go in. If I go all in right now in Shiba Inu, which I could, with thousands of dollars, I'm putting a lot of exposure to myself if Bitcoin starts coming down, right? As we were in the 2.7, now we're in the 2.5. That is one way of seeing things right now, guys. That where we have our 4 hours right here, what I'm looking at is, I mean, not even at the, let me go ahead and show you this. Not even at the 4017 or 4001 something. I'm just looking at the 402. And just to give you an idea how close we are, right? We're very, very close to that. A consolidation that we had right here is the 4033, 4032. So up here, and down here. We're playing these zones right now, guys. Let's go ahead and bring my rectangle. We're playing these zones right now. These are the zones we're looking at. And this is a Fibonacci level that we rejected. You see? We came here, we rejected yesterday. I was looking and looking and looking. We rejected this. So my job is, it doesn't matter if it goes to 4028 even. At any point, we could be having some more sell-ups, and I can smell them already. So I'll see if I'm right, because I can totally wait. I don't mind waiting for a much better deal, as Bitcoin is right now coming back up to a 67, Ethereum 35. I still see that there's a little bit of a slowdown waking up here in the US. Definitely this can change. And institutions, if they start buying more Bitcoin, well, obviously that's going to be extremely bullish. The question is, will they continue buying, or will they just want to try to flush the market as stocks open up and just let things reset a little bit more so we can start? Because even if we go as low as 50K, that's still an amazing price if you put it in perspective, right? So I'm looking at that, everybody. In my opinion, there's an opportunity to have much lower prices. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm looking at. That's my prediction. That's why I haven't started pouring my money in, because I want to be greedy when others are fearful. I want to, say, instead of buying right now and hold, I'm going to let some meme coins continue crashing and flushing if that's the case. Because those are the meme coins. You take a look at this, that yesterday weighed very damn bonk and, bomb and all of those crazy ones. So I'm waiting. And I'm adding where I could, as I know this market is pretty volatile, not for the faint-hearted. Just have to be clear, but I'm happy that I have $4,000 extra to spend, so that always really comes in handy. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. This is just my update, the way I see things. I'm just trying to compartmentalize the entire market, because it's not easy, right? It's a lot of volatility, especially if you watch this every single second, every single hour. It's going to take a toll on you, but step back all the time and just come back stronger. Try to analyze where the trend is heading. And yesterday was a great indicator that we put 0.23 Shiba Inu and 65 Bitcoin. Obviously, that got rejected because people don't want a falling knife. But if we start seeing another red, chances are it's gonna go much lower, and that's what I'm waiting. Peace.